In the heat, a steady sound filling up the space around. Not too loud, but always there, like it lived inside the air. We would hear it through the day, never thinking it would stay, just a part of what we knew, like the sky and sunlight too. It would rise and gently fall, echoing across it all. In the trees beyond the field, something simple, something real. We didn't stop to understand, we just felt it where we stand, like a rhythm soft and slow, in a place we used to go. Now I hear it in my head, even when the day is fled, like a sound that chose to stay long after it slipped away. Not as clear as it once was, but it lingers just because it was part of something true, in a world I once just knew. In quiet nights, in between the fading lights, like a memory in tone, softly playing on its own. That sound I still can find pieces of a gentler time, in the heat beneath the sky, where the days would slowly fly.
Echoes of night. Have you ever felt like home was a feeling?